everybody out there in the YouTuber world. Coming at you live from the muffler room, the smokehouse. Put in another solo day. Took yesterday off. Had my daughter over. Did a lot of playing. Check out the video we uploaded. Got a few lobsters today. Wasn't a bad day. Boy, oh boy, am I feeling it though. Right in the middle of the lower back, I guess. Oh well. Mama said there'd be days like this. She just didn't let me know how many, huh? What will go on this evening, if we'll go out for drinks and smokes. 3 o'clock in the morning, 3 a.m. comes earlier. And might take the day off tomorrow. Who knows, right? Who knows, who knows? My arm's getting tired. I can't even hold my camera up.